Number one is ls.graphics. This is an amazing website. Their mockups are very high quality. They've got a mix of stuff from presentation, they've got stationery, they've got some packaging, they even got some mobile stuff as well. So definitely check them out. Number two, we got Hazard Mockups. Now they have a bundle here. You can get a full bunch of mega mockups, really photorealistic, and they look good. They've got signage and bus stops and billboards. Number three, we've got Octobernovemba.com. Now you can see there's a bunch of business cards. You've got candles. We've got some interesting packaging for like a beauty brand. So they're very unique, this one, but I think it's really cool. Number four, you got Berrington.com. You can go to her shop. Very feminine mockups, nice in the beauty style, cosmetics as well. Fragrance mockups, very elegant and lush. Really like these ones, and they're very unique as well. Number four, we've got Found Images. Now their mockups are on Creative Market. They've got a lot of poster stuff. You've got some phone mockups, posters, a whole bunch of different ones here. So if you're into that. Next up, we've got S48 Mockups. They have very clean and minimal range of mockups. You can see you've got some CV templates. You've got some stationery, you've got some packaging, really clean. And then we've got formatmockups.gumroad.com. They have nice thank you cards, business cards, as you can see there, different styles, like different shadows. Follow me for more design and branding tips.